The 2024 Lexus GX ushers in a new era for luxury SUVs by redefining sophistication, utility, and adventure. Ground-up innovation transforms this already revered model into a sophisticated utility vehicle that seamlessly integrates elegance, off-road prowess, and state-of-the-art technology. With 20 years of legacy in the SUV segment, the GX has earned a reputation for effortlessly conquering both urban jungles and rugged landscapes. The exterior design of the all-new GX emanates an aura of robust sophistication. Lexus designers meticulously crafted an aggressive exterior that showcases the vehicle's off-road pedigree without compromising luxury. The square body profile is punctuated by the Lexus spindle grille, accentuating its bold demeanor. The wide stance, facilitated by the broadened tracks and fender flares, further exemplifies its rugged persona. The new GX has an increased overall width of 3.74 inches and incorporates a seamless integration of the grille and premium triple-beam LED headlamps, which are raised to avoid potential road impact. Moreover, it boasts 33-inch all-terrain tires with 18-inch wheels, particularly in the Overtrail grades, thus ensuring superior off-road performance. With a 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine under the hood, the new GX is a powerhouse. Producing 350 horsepower and a whopping 479 pound-feet of torque, it outperforms its predecessor. Paired with a 10-speed direct-shift automatic transmission, the GX promises smooth and responsive performance on any terrain. The increased towing capacity of up to 8,000 pounds and the vehicle's sturdy GAF platform further ensure a reliable and controlled driving experience. The newly developed double wishbone front suspension, along with a multi-link rear suspension, guarantees excellent handling and stability both on and off the road. The first-ever Overtrail grade is a pivotal addition to the 2024 Lexus GX lineup. As part of the global Lexus Overtrail project, this grade embodies the adventurous spirit with specialized features and styling. The exterior of the Overtrail grade is distinguished by bitone color combinations, 33-inch all-terrain tires, 18-inch wheels, and black accented over fenders. The interior follows suit with exclusive chateau with olive ultra suede accents or black with olive ultra suede accents. Furthermore, the Overtrail grade boasts multi-terrain select, crawl control, downhill assist control, and 3D multi-terrain monitor systems to ensure an exhilarating off-road experience. Safety is a paramount consideration in the new GX. The 2024 Lexus GX comes standard with Lexus Safety System, encompassing a range of active safety features. This suite includes pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, all-speed dynamic radar cruise control, lane tracing assist, lane departure alert with steering assist, road sign assist, and proactive cornering assist. These technologies work in tandem to deliver peace of mind to the driver and passengers by mitigating potential hazards and optimizing vehicle control. Lexus has also revealed that a hybrid powertrain variant of the GX will be introduced in the near future. This is in line with the brand's commitment to sustainability and catering to the diverse preferences of its clientele. The introduction of a hybrid powertrain is likely to enhance the GX's appeal among environmentally conscious consumers. The all-new 2024 Lexus GX stands as a monument to Lexus's unwavering commitment to innovation, luxury, and adventure. With its powerful engine, exquisite design, off-road capabilities, and cutting-edge safety features, the GX sets a new benchmark in the luxury SUV segment. The Overtrail grade adds an extra dimension to its adventurous side, making it the ideal choice for those who yearn for exploration without any compromise on luxury. Lexus aficionados and discerning buyers can look forward to the 2024 Lexus GX hitting the market in early 2024. The vehicle will be assembled in Japan at the Tahara plant, known for its precision and craftsmanship.